introduce my strange animal. Its name is the Goliath bird eater spider, which is belonging to a tarantula family of spiders. Unfortunately, after looking into this animal, I have found out that this animal is not strange. And this spider was named by explorer of the South American jungles in the early 19th, when one spider was observed eating a small bird. And it is considered to the second largest spider in the world. The first one is the giant huntsman spider. But actually, the world's biggest spider is the Goliath bird eater spider by mass. And these spiders live in South America, Brazil, Venezuela, Chile, Mexico, and other hot and humid places in other parts of the world. And this spider can have a leg span of up to 12 inches, which is 30 centimeters, and can weight over 6 ounces, which is 170 grams, and their bodies are dark and light brown in color. And like most spiders, they have 4 pairs of legs, and they are made up of a head and neck combined, and abdomen, and they are their eyesight is weak, even though they have 8 eyes on their head. So they can see only the differences in the level of light, and they rely on the sensory hairs on their body, which can feel the vibration on the ground and in the air. So, and that allows them to detect movement from other animals. And then the reasons I think this is the strange animal is that firstly, it is so big and creepy, comparing with other normally usual smaller spider that I'm familiar with in my life. And then secondly, it as its name suggests, this Goliath bird eating spider is large enough to eat a bird, and that was very impressive to me. I cannot imagine a spider eating a bird. And actually, the Goliath bird eater spider rarely eat birds, but it is true. And in addition, they are pretty harmless to people, and they do carry venoms, poison. They carry venoms in their fangs, their tooth fangs, and they have been known to bite people when they are threatened. But the venom just causes a little pain for a few hours, and it is a dry bite. That's it. That is my presentation, and thank you for listening to me.